Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Declarative Academy, your go to channel for mastering Salesforce without the code. Today, we're diving into another essential module on Trailhead titled Work with Schema Builder. Whether you're an admin, developer, or just passionate about Salesforce, this video is packed with insights to help you visualize and manage your data models effectively. So, let's get started. First things first, let's outline what you'll achieve by the end of this module. By working with Schema Builder, you'll be able to describe the advantages of using Schema Builder for data modeling. Use a Schema Builder to create a schema for a given object model. Use Schema Builder to add a custom object to your schema. Use Schema Builder to add a custom field to your schema. Sounds exciting, right? Let's break each of these down to see how they can enhance your Salesforce org. By now, you and D'Angelo have created a handful of custom objects, fields, and relationships. Your app's data model is starting to get a little more complicated. That's where Schema Builder comes in. Schema Builder is a powerful tool that lets you visualize and edit your data model in a user-friendly interface. It's especially useful for designing and understanding complex data models like the one D'Angelo is building for Dreamhouse Realty. Imagine having all your objects, fields, and relationships laid out visually, allowing you to see how everything connects at a glance. From Setup, search for and click Schema Builder in the Quick Find box. Once you're in Schema Builder, start by clearing the canvas to get a fresh view. Then, check Contact, Favorite, Offer, and Property. You should see the favorite object from the previous unit and the offer and property objects from the previous challenges. Click Auto Layout to organize everything neatly. You'll see something like this on your screen. Notice that you can drag these objects around the canvas. This doesn't change your objects or relationships, but it helps you visualize your data model in a more intuitive way. Schema Builder is a handy tool for introducing your Salesforce customizations to a coworker or explaining how data flows throughout your system. Now, let's take a closer look at creating objects with the Schema Builder. You can also create objects directly within Schema Builder's visual interface, which is perfect if you're designing your system and want to revise all your customizations on the spot. Here's how it's done. In the left sidebar, click the Elements tab. Then click Object and drag it onto the canvas. Enter information about your object. Feel free to name it anything that fits your needs. Click Save, and your new object will appear in Schema Builder. That was quick. Next, let's add some fields. Creating fields with Schema Builder is just as straightforward. From the Elements tab, choose a field type and drag it onto the object you just created. Whether it's a relationship field, a formula field, or a standard field, Schema Builder makes it easy to add and configure. Fill out the details about your new field and click Save. Cool. If you go back through Object Manager, you'll see your new object shows up the same way your property offer and favorite objects do. We've learned a lot in this module. First, you explored how Schema Builder helps visualize and manage your data model, making it easier to design and understand complex relationships. Then, you saw how to create objects and fields directly within Schema Builder, streamlining your customization process for the Dreamhouse app. As you continue to dive into more advanced content, you'll see custom objects and fields everywhere. Before you know it, you'll be a data modeling pro. Happy building. Now, it's time for a hands-on challenge. Let's put your new skills to the test. Your mission is to use Schema Builder to create a custom field for the property object. Dreamhouse brokers often visit properties with their clients and want to see on the property record where the property is located. Launch your playground or return to your Salesforce playground if you already have it open. Here's what you need to do. Open the Schema Builder. In Salesforce, go to Setup and search for Schema Builder in the Quick Find box. Click to access it. Select the property object. In the left panel, ensure the property object is selected to modify its structure. Add a custom field. In the Elements tab, find the text area field type. Drag and drop it onto the property object in the canvas to create a new field. Configure the field. In the configuration window, enter street address as the field label. The field name will auto-populate as street_address. Be sure to set this field to require a value to save any records. Save the field. Finally, click Save to add the street address field to the property object. And there you have it. You've successfully used Schema Builder to add a custom field to your property object. This hands-on exercise not only reinforces what you've learned, but also prepares you to handle real-world scenarios in Salesforce. Great work today. Let's do a quick recap of what we've covered. You've gotten the hang of using the Schema Builder for data modeling, learned how to create and visualize your schema, and even how to add custom objects and fields right in the Schema Builder. These skills are super helpful for making the most out of your Salesforce org and keeping our data organized and easy to access. Keep it up. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Declarative Academy for more Salesforce tutorials and tips. Have any questions or want to share your progress? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And if you're ready to take your Salesforce skills to the next level, check out our other videos and join our community of trailblazers. Thanks for watching and happy trailblazing. See you in the next video.